Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today our group, that is me, Iza, Amar, Ezra and Elia, will present about Quillbot and 3 ways it can enhance college student writing skills. So, before we go to the main point, I will do some introduction about Quillbot. Nowadays, there is a lot of apps or blogs that help us in improving our writing in English. Since we know that now we can access anything just by one click, so we should use it wisely. Especially when the COVID-19 virus hit us and made everything become online. So, we must be more creative on how to learn in this new era. One of the functional apps that really help us in improving our writing in English is Quillbot. Quillbot is an app that have many features to help us in improving our writing skill. Next, I will let Amar as a next presenter to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Iza. It has been known that a Quillbot is a paraphrasing sentence application on that helps a lot of students in their essay and writing, but certain people don't even know that a Quillbot has another features. And the features that I want to talk about in this video is the grammar checker mode. Grammar checker mode, instead of helping millions of people rewrite and enhance any sentence, Quillbot also has a sentence, spelling and punctuation checker, which is all of that known as a grammar checker. This means the purpose of this mode is to fix the grammar checker errors. So how to use it? So for a grammar checker, we just copy and paste the text, or we can type our own text at the word shows enter your text. Before we enter the text, we need to change the mode from the paraphrasing mode to the grammar checker modes. It will show the underline, and that means that the grammar error exists. After you click on the underlines, the word will automatically change. Besides, the specialties of Quillbot is can check more words for a grammar checker than paraphrasing checker. Because of the paraphrase mode, it has a words limit. At the same time, these apps can use any device. We can use at any device and make our work easier to writing the essay. Therefore, we should try these apps, especially for a grammar errors. It has a unique features compared to the other apps. For instance, it will check from the beginning of the sentence until the end of the sentence. The certain grammar checker apps, the word has a limit, while for a grammar checker mode at the Quillbot can fit more than 150 words. Other than knowing the grammar error in our sentence, this application is one of the learning process in improving our language skill. We can learn the mistake that we always normalize in essays. As well, this app has a lot of unique features. It can attract more students to use this app and have the biggest interest in writing skill. So I will pass to Ezra. Thank you.
The Paraphraser. It is a very useful tool to enhance your writing skill. It gives you a variety of words. It makes your sentence more interesting, and it is also make your sentences free of errors and readable.
Thank you, Ezra. Now I will continue to present about the next part, which is the co-writer. So what is the co-writer? Co-writer is an artificial intelligence that helps students to write essays and makes the research process more easier. And also for the first timers, you don't have to worry about it because there will be an easy tutorial that walks you through it. Okay, now let's move on to the features. So what are the features? First of all, there will be a research section that you can use to search contents and topics regarding your essay. And also there will be a notebook so that you can jot down your rough ideas, rough notes, and at the same time you can bookmark websites there. Next, the analytics. So the analytics tells how your content sounds and gives you overall marks regarding your writing. And then aside from that, we have the citation tool, paraphraser, summarizer, grammar checker, dictate, So like Dictate is a tool that you can just voice type your thoughts. Like you can just say it out loud and the tool will automatically type it for you. And then lastly, we have the cloud storage. It is used to save your project within the app. Next, how to use it. So first of all, you can just type in and put in any kind of topic at the search bar, and then you will be given a list of websites that provides you information and contents, and then you just click on the full source, go to the highlight section, and then there will be all of this different information and contents that are needed and useful for your writing. And then you can also click on the statistics because it will give you useful stats that helps build an outline to make your writing more interesting, so you can potentially use it. You can potentially put it in your essay, your writing. And then you can also click on the other tools as well, like the Paraphraser and Summarizer, because it is handy for the writing and research process. Moreover, you can also get the citation here as well. And then next, you can click on Analytics to know the overview of your essay. And when you're done, you can just save your work by using the cloud storage. So that is all about the co-writer. Thank you.
How to use it. Simply copy your sentence, paste it at the paraphraser column, and click the paraphraser button. After that, it gives you a better version of the sentence you made. It also gives you a feature that you can change a word synonym to it.
Next, I will present the other features in Quillbot. That is, first, plagiarism checker. It is used for checking if there is any plagiarism in the essay. But it is limitation since only premium user can use these features. Next is Summarizer. It helps to summarize some article or long paragraph essay to make us easy to understand the point of the article or essay. And the last one is Citation Generator. It is used for helping students to generate the citation for reference in student report.
This is how to use the Quillbot. Click at the left side, which is paraphrase mode, then paste your text and click the paraphrase green button, then your sentence will automatically change. So what is a difference between the Quillbot compared to the other apps? At first, Quillbot has a better feature because the certain application on the writing skill is limited and you need to purchase them. Sometimes, some of students try to save their money pockets, then spends the things that they can get free. In consequence, Quillbot is the best application for improving our language and writing skill. Additionally, Quillbot will make our days more productive since this application has a plagiarism and grammar checker. Instead of knowing how to change the sentence to the advanced level, Quillbot also make our priority in the grammar increase, which is we will often to alert to a grammar error. For your information, in the paraphrasing mode, have two modes that we can get free, and that is a standard and fluency. Students can change the mode to avoid a boredom in producing the essay. So they will feel interested in detecting what is the error in their sentence. In my perception, Quillbot is better than a Grammarly because Grammarly Premium is not suitable for students due to price, while Quillbot is more appropriate for a budget-friendly assistant. Thank you.
So, in conclusion, we choose Quillbot because the features that provided by the apps really helping us in improving our writing in English. It also easy to access since even without purchase, we can still use the apps for a few times and it is really worth it for us to subscribe the apps. That's all from our group presentation today. I hope you guys get what we're trying to present and you guys can try the apps for better essay in the future. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.